I'm Saud, and by the end of this video you shall know how to encode a message using Huffman algorithm. Let me assume that my message is ABACCDA. The first thing we shall do is we shall see which symbols are used in the message. So we have A, then we have B, then we have C, and we have D. Next we'll determine the frequencies of each of these symbols. So A is used thrice, once over here, then over here, and then over here. So the frequency of A is 3. Frequency of B is 1 because it appears just once in this message. The frequency of C is 2, and frequency of D is 1. I'm saying symbols and not alphabets because this message will comprise of anything. It can have stars, it can have hashes, it can have numbers. The next thing we shall do is we will construct a Huffman binary tree. So select two symbols with the lowest frequencies. We have B and D out here. So we'll write B and D over here. B has a frequency of 1 and D has a frequency of 1. Next we shall combine these two symbols and construct a parent node. So we'll combine B and D, we'll call this BD, and the frequency of BD will be the summation of these two frequencies, the frequencies of B and D. So it will be 1 plus 1, that is 2. Next designate 0 to the left of BD and designate 1 to the right of BD. These two bits are used to distinguish between B and D. This will be more clear when we are writing the code. Now select the next lowest frequency symbol, that is C. C has a frequency of 2. We'll combine C and BD and we'll form a parent node. We'll call it CBD. CBD has a frequency of 4, is 2 plus 2. Again we'll designate 0 to the left of CBD and we'll designate 1 to the right of CBD. So we are done with B, C and D. The only thing remaining is A, so we'll write A over here. A has a frequency of 3. We'll combine A and CBD and we'll form ACBD. ACBD has a frequency of 4 plus 3 and that is 7. We'll write 0 to the left of ACBD and we'll write 1 to the right of ACBD. The next thing we shall do is we shall write individual coding for each of these symbols. So I'll write the symbols first. We have A, B, C and D. The next thing is start from the root and reach up to that symbol. So if you are writing the Huffman code of A, we have to reach A from the root, and we shall see which bits we encounter on the way. So from the root to A we have just one bit and that is 0. So the Huffman code of A is 0. Next is B and we have to reach B from the root. So we'll encounter 1, then again 1 and then 0. So this will be our path. So first we shall reach from ACBD, we shall reach CBD and that will be 1. Then from CBD we shall reach BD, that will be again 1. And from BD we shall reach B and that is 0. So the Huffman code of B is 0. Next is C. To reach C from the root we shall first reach CBD and then C. So it is 1 and 0. So the Huffman code of C is 1, 0. To reach D we shall reach CBD, then BD and then D. So that is 1, 1 and 1. So the Huffman code of D is 111. Now we have the code for each of these symbols. So we'll combine all of that and we'll write the code for the message. The message is ABACCDA. Now first is A and that is 0. Next is B and that is 110. Next is A, that is 0. Then we have C and that is 10. We have C again and that is 10. Then we have D, that is 111. And then we have A and that is 0. And this is our Huffman code for the string or the message ABACCDA. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you very much for listening.